Number 1. My Romantic. Some Recipe. This drama series is about a 21-year-old college student has a one-sided love for a restaurant customer. Then, after getting drunk one evening, she takes a stand-up poster of her idol. From that advertisement, he magically emerges to help her, teach her how to charm the other guy, to cook, to ride a bike, to take better care of herself. But suddenly he fall in love to her while helping her. He got jealous. Then as suddenly as he arrives, he disappears. Genre: food, romance, fantasy. Episodes: 6. Release date: November 14, 2016, November 22, 2016. Starring Cha Eun Woo and Ju Arium. Number 2. My ID is Gangnam Beauty. This drama series is about Kang Mi-rae, a girl once bullied for her looks. As a result, she became insecure, cautious around people and withdrawn. However, Mi-rae decides she wants a fresh start away from bullying and gets plastic surgery to transform her face. When she begins university, she meets Kyung-suk from their middle school days, who sees people for what they are on the inside and not the outside. He then becomes attracted to Kang Mi-rae. As Mi-rae begins to get teased once more and labeled Gangnam Beauty, the cold, aloof but kind inside Kyung-suk becomes the one person that stands up for her, and in the process, Mi-rae begins to recover her lost confidence and discovers that true beauty is not on the outside. Genre: coming of age, romance comedy, drama. Episodes: 16. Release date: July 27, 2018 to September 15, 2018. Starring I'm Soo Young and Cha Eun Woo. Number 3. Rookie Historian. This drama is about story takes place at the beginning of the 19th century. Gu Hai-ryung is an intern to become a palace historian. However, it was not acceptable for women to write historical records at that time. She takes one step at a time to create her own destiny in Joseon, where Confucian ideas are deeply rooted. She wants to fulfill her duties as a historian and prove to the world that everyone is equal. Along with the fight of the female palace historians, the drama will tell about her romance with Prince Yi-rim, who has a secret of his own. And they fall in love with each other, and they begin their own journey together. Genre: historical, comedy, romance, drama. Episodes: 40. Release date: July 17, 2019, September 26, 2019. Starring Cha Eun Woo and Shin Se-kyung. Number 4. True Beauty. This drama series is about a romantic comedy about a high school girl, Lim Ji-gyang, who rises to pretty girl fame after she masters the art of makeup from YouTube. She turns into a goddess because of her makeup skills, but would rather die than reveal her bare face to anyone. It tells her love story with the only boy that saw her without makeup, Lee Soo-ho. Lee Soo-ho is an attractive and handsome boy who appears cold because of his dark past, but is actually very caring. They grow when they meet each other, share their secrets, and find love with each other. But can Soo-ho make Ju-gyang find her true beauty? Genre: comedy, romance, youth, drama. Episodes: 16. Release date: December 9, 2020, February 4, 2021. Starring Moon Ga-young, Cha Eun Woo, and Park Yoo-na, Hwang In-yup.